Hey there, welcome back. If you're looking for a frying pan that makes cooking easier, lasts longer, and doesn't let your food stick, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best frying pans that stand out in performance, durability, and value. Whether you're cooking daily meals at home or upgrading your kitchen tools, this list will help you make the right choice without confusion. So stay with us until the end, because your perfect frying pan might just be on this list. Product links in the description box.
Number 5. Hexclad Hybrid Non-Stick 10-inch Frying Pan. The Hexclad Hybrid Non-Stick 10-inch Frying Pan is designed to deliver professional-level performance in your everyday kitchen. Featuring Hexclad's innovative hybrid technology, this pan boasts a laser-etched hexagonal non-stick surface that seamlessly combines the durability of stainless steel with the convenience of Terabond ceramic coating. This unique design allows you to achieve a perfect sear while ensuring effortless food release and easy cleanup. Ideal for daily use, the 10-inch size is perfect for preparing entrees for two, a hearty solo meal, or sautéing vegetables with precision. Its tri-ply construction, built with an aluminum core, ensures fast and even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and improving cooking consistency. Whether you're cooking on gas, electric, ceramic, or induction cooktops, this pan is fully compatible and delivers reliable results every time. Built for durability and convenience, the pan is metal utensil safe, dishwasher friendly, and oven safe up to an impressive 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The Stay Cool handle provides a secure, comfortable grip while cooking. Note, tempered glass lids are oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while stainless steel lids can withstand up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Backed by a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects, Hexclad offers long-term peace of mind, excluding commercial use. Your purchase includes one 10-inch frying pan, measuring approximately 10 inches in diameter, 2 inches in height, and weighing 3 pounds. Please note that a lid is not included. Number 4. Titanium Pan, 12-inch Pure. Upgrade your cooking experience with a titanium pan, a 12-inch pure titanium hammered pro frying pan designed for performance, safety, and durability. Crafted with premium titanium construction, this pan offers exceptional strength and longevity while maintaining a lightweight feel. Its non-toxic surface is completely free from PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE, giving you a healthier alternative to traditional non-stick cookware like Teflon, ceramic, stainless steel, or cast iron. Built with engineered for performance in mind, this versatile skillet features a Stay Cool ergonomic handle and is compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Whether you're cooking in a compact apartment, RV, or a full family kitchen, this pan adapts effortlessly to your needs. Its oven-safe design adds even more flexibility, allowing you to transition from stovetop to oven with ease. The ergonomic titanium handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip while staying cool during cooking. Its sleek, fingerprint-resistant surface maintains a clean and modern appearance, making it both functional and stylish in any kitchen setup. Enjoy faster, even cooking results thanks to the multi-layer hammered pro composite steel construction. This innovative design overcomes the natural heat limitations of pure titanium, delivering rapid and uniform heat distribution, perfect for sautéing, frying, broiling, or braising. With works on all cooktops capability, this pan offers high magnetic conductivity for seamless use on induction, gas, electric, ceramic, halogen, and glass stovetops. Complete with a lid, it's a reliable, all-in-one solution for everyday cooking. Number 3. Dot-Clad Wok Pan. The DOTCLAD Hybrid 12-inch wok pan is a powerful, all-in-one solution for modern kitchens, combining innovation, durability, and convenience. Featuring advanced SNOW flake technology, this wok is crafted using a precision laser etching process that blends stainless steel with a non-stick surface. This dual-layer design allows you to cook with less oil, grease, and butter while still achieving excellent browning and flavor. With a clad surface that's 50% greater than typical hex pattern non-stick pans, it delivers enhanced performance and control. Designed with versatility in mind, the wok's speciality lies in its multi-layer composite steel construction. This structure solves the heat conduction issues often found in pure steel cookware, ensuring fast and even heat distribution. Whether you're deep frying, broiling, sautéing, or braising, this wok handles it all effortlessly, making it the perfect choice for stir-frying vegetables and preparing a wide range of dishes. Built from high-quality materials, this wok is made of durable stainless steel with a completely non-toxic cooking surface. Free from PFOA, it offers a healthier alternative to traditional Teflon, ceramic, or cast iron cookware, balancing safety with high performance. Cleanup is simple with the ESYTO Clean non-stick surface, and it's fully dishwasher safe for added convenience. Ideal for new homes or upgrading your kitchen essentials. With its universal compatibility, this wok works seamlessly on all stovetops, including gas, electric, glass, halogen, and induction. The large 12-inch size and included lid make it a versatile and reliable addition to any cookware collection. Number 2. Hex-clad hybrid non-stick 6-piece frying pan set. Upgrade your kitchen with a hex-clad hybrid non-stick 6-piece frying pan set, designed to deliver professional-level performance for everyday cooking. Hex-Clad's hybrid technology features a laser-etched hexagonal non-stick surface that combines both stainless steel and its Terabond ceramic coating, giving you the perfect balance of superior searing power and effortless cleanup. Whether you're cooking delicate eggs or achieving a crispy crust on meats, this innovative surface ensures outstanding results every time. This versatile set includes 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch frying pans, ideal for everything from quick breakfasts to family-sized meals. A size for all cooking occasions, these pans excel at frying, sautéing, and simmering with ease. Built with tri-ply construction and an aluminum core, they heat quickly and evenly, eliminating hot spots and improving cooking consistency. Designed for modern kitchens, these pans are compatible with all cooktops, including induction. They are metal utensil safe, dishwasher friendly, and oven safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, while the tempered glass lids are oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Each purchase includes 3 pans and matching lids, offering both convenience and value. Backed by a lifetime warranty from manufacturer defects, this Hex-Clad set is a durable, high-performance investment for any home cook. Number 1. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan. Upgrade your kitchen with the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan set, featuring versatile 10-inch and 12-inch pans designed for everyday cooking. The hard anodized exterior and forged design is built to stand the test of time. Titanium non-stick coating keeps food sliding smoothly, making cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. Our set includes 10-inch and 12-inch fry pans, making it perfect for frying, sautéing, and searing with ease. Ideal for everything from quick breakfasts to family dinners. The heat indicator turns solid red when properly preheated, helping you achieve perfect cooking results every time. Riveted silicone handles ensure a secure, comfortable grip, while vented tempered glass lids retain heat and moisture without sacrificing visibility. Ovens safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lids 350 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher safe, and compatible with most stovetops, excluding induction. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching. I hope this list of the top 5 best frying pans helped you find the right option for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest and helpful product reviews like this. We bring you the best picks so you can shop smarter and cook better without the confusion. Also, don't forget to check the links in the description below for more details and the latest deals on these frying pans. Thanks again for being here. See you in the next video.